Yeah, this is kind of my school. I'm kind of a big deal in Eckerd. I'm the principal here.
Right.
I have the chief, he's my friend. I'm pretty sure I can play the music as loud as I want to.
Well, see, you got neighbors, still early.
Yeah, but I think I'm gonna keep playing. I was only joking.
That's okay. You can talk to the judge now. Watch your head.
I'm gonna have you turn your whole body and face that way, okay? Just look straight ahead. All right. Need your left hand first. All right, so you ready to make your phone call?
Hey, Bernie? Hey, I was wondering if you could come and bail me out.
Tom, are you kidding? I've already bailed you out once. I'm not going to do it again. I'm sorry. All right, you're going to have to call somebody else. Okay?
Thanks a lot.
All right, sir, since you know the chief, we're gonna let you make another phone call.
Hey, Cassandra? Hey, it's Tom Farrell. You think there's any way you could come by the Eckerd jail? I need to get bailed out. Please? Oh, thanks so much. I'll see you later. Bye. Thank you so much, Cassandra. You are by far the best partner in education a principal could have. I really appreciate it.
Tom, and I'm glad to be here to bail you out, but I'm really concerned about your retirement.